Reverse osmosis life. Look at this shit. Y'all drinking this shit. Yeah. Yeah, you're putting all that shit in your body. All that nice fucking gross orange shit. That's all in you. Here, let me show you some more. There's like some spots there. Hold on, let me find a good section. Here's some right here. Some right here. I should have just lifted it up in the first place. Yeah, you think that's gross? Hold on. Oh, what's all that? What's all that shit? That's shit that's going in your body. And it's not going in mine. Look at that. Look at that. Whatever, maybe it's just that color. Nope, it's not. This is the color it's supposed to be. See how it blinds you? It's because it's not full of that shit. That's why. Fucking casual bitches, I swear to God.